Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see iPhone's white noise feature. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So this hack can help you get some refreshing shut eye. So if you are a devoted iPhone user, you probably thought you knew about every useful feature packed into your iOS. However, here is this hidden iPhone hack which is flooding the internet that you may have never heard of. So your phone may help you stay organized, connected and in the know, but it has also some built-in feature to help you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. This Apple smartphones released as early as 2015 have an integrated iPhone white noise feature. So what you need to know about this? So basically, like when we think about this white noise, you have likely heard of white noise, but what it is and why is it included on your iPhone? So basically, it is a heterogeneous mixture of sound waves extending over a wide frequency range, or in a more simplistic definition, we could say that the constant background noise. So, but why? Why would someone want to listen to constant background noise? So, well, it can help you fall asleep and stay that way. So this sound might help you to hype, it has a lot of hype, and because people buy this kind of white noise machines which cost up to $100 online for this very reason, that is to keep away from the distractions and all. So basically, still some sleep experts argue that white noise masks out the noise and distractions, which helps a sleeping person block out the changing sounds around them, so such as the noise of traffic, let's say, or barking dogs and these all things. So this white noise creates a blanket of sound around you that absorbs other sound waves, so that little creaks and cracks and car driving by don't quite make it to your brain and you don't respond to them. So if you have trouble sleeping, white noise can help you out to block out other noises and transport you to your dreamland. So mostly, in the iPhone, you won't find this feature easily labeled on your settings. So instead you have to look for the background sounds. So here is something that you can follow to get this out. So firstly, you need to head to your iPhone settings, and then you need to tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, you can just find some audio visual and select it, and from there you need to search for the background sounds and toggle it on, and after that, then enjoy the relaxing background noise to meditate or fall asleep. So this is what you need to know about this feature, and I hope you found this video useful to you. And if you like it, please do give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do comment and let us know what do you want to expect from us in the next coming videos. And